Welcome back for another cooking video. For today, I will be sharing to you my mother's way of making stir-fried noodles. Here's what we need to achieve this tasty dish. Now, there may be some seasonings here that will vary depending on your taste. First, let's cut the vegetables in half lengthwise. I'm using bell pepper and a carrot here, but you may add cabbage as well. There was one time that I tried to add broccoli, but it didn't match to the stir-fried noodles. It would be up to you, of course. To cook noodles faster, we usually soak the noodles for 5 minutes. Now we're using vermicelli. Not only that vermicelli has been the noodles my mom's been using, but it also has a very good quality. Next, let's put a little oil in the pan and saute garlic and onions. Now, keep an eye on the garlic because once it begins to turn golden brown, bring the heat down and add your bell pepper. The meat, I am using our beef and chicken that are already cooked. However, if you will be using raw meat, it would be better to add them before your vegetables. That way it will cook nice and through. After adding your carrots, allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then season it with salt and black pepper. After 2 to 3 minutes, let's add the water. Here I'm using the excess water where our noodles was soaked into. That way nothing will go to waste. Now let's bring this to a simmer and add your chicken cube. Followed by your oyster sauce. And then your light soy sauce. Now I prefer light soy sauce because the dark ones has a stronger taste and will give too much color in the noodles itself. Now that the noodles were already soaked, it is easier to cut them with a pair of kitchen scissors, or you may also tease them apart depending on how you want it. Once the water starts to boil, it's time to add our vermicelli noodles and our dried Pansit Canton. Now I have tried other variations of dried Canton, but nothing comes close to this. In fact, my mom calls it special Canton. I don't know why. Now let's mix it well. At this point, you need to turn your heat down and put cover on your pan until noodles tender. Because noodles absorb so much water, we may need to add more if your noodles are not done yet. Usually, noodles take 5 to 8 minutes to tender, so do not overcook as it will be very soggy. On the other hand, when you see that noodles are already soft or done, but still has lots of water, scoop it out and don't cover the pan anymore. From here on, you may add seasonings, especially salt, a little at a time, and I recommend tasting it frequently so as not to over season it. And just repeat this tasting process until you can taste the individual ingredients that you want to be tasting. As we all know, we all have different taste buds, so you better be sure about it. So here is our quick stir-fried noodles. I'd love to know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Kindly give some love if you like this video and subscribe to stay notified on our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching.